Move. Kyler's toy went off. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today is Quick Tip Monday, and I've got a quick tip for you. So, for those of you who get mascara bits on their eyelid, like right above their eyelid, because they pushed the brush in too much that they touch their skin, my quick tip is this. So, take your mascara, and so this is the wand. Right now you can see it straight. Put it in the tube. You can actually bend the mascara wand like this, and you can apply it to your lashes, and you won't get any mascara onto your eyelid. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's spelled kiss.jennie. That's kiss.jennie, Jenny with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, just click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.